Have you ever noticed how small changes in your language or behavior can make a big difference in your relationships? If you're interacting with your husband's family in Kuwait, mastering politeness in Kuwaiti Arabic can truly strengthen those connections. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 easy ways to show politeness that will not only improve your language skills, but also make you more appreciated by your family and the locals. Let's get started. Before we dive in, if you're looking to improve your Kuwaiti Arabic and learn more about Kuwaiti culture, make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. You'll get practical tips that go beyond just learning the language. You'll learn how to truly connect on a deeper cultural level. One of our community members shared how learning just a few polite phrases made a big impact with her Kuwaiti family. Simple words like please and thank you helped her husband's family see that she was putting in effort to understanding their language and culture. If you're eager to have the same experience, stay tuned. These small changes can help you blend in and feel more connected. Let's start with the basics, using please and thank you in Kuwaiti Arabic. You can say please like this, lo smaht, when speaking to a man, lo smahte, when speaking to a woman. These small phrases show respect and politeness when asking for something. For thank you, you can say a simple shukran, which works well, but you can also use mashkur for a man and mashkura for a woman to sound more formal. Combine these words with a warm tone or a smile and you'll instantly make your interactions more pleasant. Greetings are an essential part of politeness in Kuwaiti culture. The most common greeting is Salam alaikum, which means peace be upon you. And the proper response is always wa alaikum assalam. For a more casual setting, like with friends, you might hear hella, which means hey, or ahlan wa sahlan, which means something along the lines of welcome. When greeting elders or in a formal setting, extend the greeting by asking how are you? Shlonik for a man, shlonich for a woman. When you observe Kuwaiti conversations, you'll notice that they keep the salutations going by even asking how the family is doing. A lot of Kuwaitis appreciate this kind of extended greeting, so take your time, don't rush, and engage in small talk to show respect. Have you ever found yourself unintentionally being impolite or saying something that wasn't socially acceptable here in Kuwait? Share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story and offer some tips to help you avoid future mishaps. Another important way to show politeness in Kuwaiti Arabic is by using honorifics and titles when addressing people. For example, if you're speaking to somebody with a PhD, you can say dictor and then his or her name. This is a polite way to acknowledge their position. Using titles and honorifics is a big part of Kuwaiti culture, and it goes a long way in showing that you respect the other person, especially in formal situations. If you want to start communicating effectively in Kuwaiti Arabic, check out our program linked in the description. It's designed to help expat women married to Kuwaitis learn practical language skills and cultural insights so that you can feel confident speaking with native speakers. Compliments in Kuwaiti often come with an element of spirituality. If you admire something, say MashaAllah, which means what God has willed. This expresses admiration while also offering a blessing. For example, you might say, MashaAllah, your home is beautiful. If someone does something kind for you, in English, we'd often say just thank you. But in Kuwaiti, it's polite to respond with a phrase like, Allah ya'atik alafia for a man, or Allah ya'atik alafia for a woman, which means something along the lines of, may God protect you. Compliments mixed with well wishes shows respect and gratitude. Finally, politeness in Kuwaiti culture isn't just about words. Body language plays a big role too. Always use your right hand for handshakes, eating, or handing someone something, as the left hand is considered less respectful. Another thing to keep in mind is it's impolite to refuse food or drinks outright. If you're offered something, you could politely say just a little thank you, bas shwaya shukran. If you're in a social setting and an elder walks in, it's polite to stand up as a sign of respect. And it's also important to greet the elder in the room first whenever you walk in. These small gestures show you understand and respect the local customs. So those were 5 simple yet powerful ways to show politeness in Kuwaiti Arabic. Remember, being polite isn't just about speaking the language, it's about understanding and respecting the culture. Practice these tips and you'll find the locals will appreciate your efforts to connect on a deeper level. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more tips on Kuwaiti Arabic. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn about in our future videos or any questions that you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.